Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Miss Plan It. Before we get started, I want to give a big Planner of the Week shout out to Maureen Perkins. She was so kind and so sweet to give us a recommendation on our Facebook page, and she writes, Miss Planet, her projects are beautiful, easy, and gorgeous. The instructions are clearly explained and her tutorials are very professional. Love her. Maureen, we just want to thank you so much for taking the time out to give us a recommendation. We don't take them lightly, and we just feel so blessed that you would take the time to say such wonderful complimentary things about us. So, thanks, Maureen. So this week's request comes from our community member, Chris. And Chris writes, Hi, I'm planning my daughter's sweet 16 Kate Spade Inspired birthday party. I truly need your expertise in this matter, okay? I am a single mother of two that is working on a tight budget. We live in an urban city where our children don't see any elegant family dinner events often, and I want to have my family and my children experience this. I think that's wonderful. Thank you in advance for any ideas, help you may have for me. Well, Chris, I can't tell you how excited I am to show you this centerpiece and to tell you that it costs less than $20. Less than $20. Oh, and guess what, Chris? I'm going to give you a little bit of a bonus also. So you're going to get the centerpiece, you're going to get the bonus, and then you're going to get all the links to all the supplies in the description below to create this wonderful Kate Spade Inspired Sweet 16 centerpiece just for you. Oh, and whoever else can help. So, with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Kate Spade Inspired Sweet 16 centerpiece for under $20. All right, guys, let's go. So if you haven't invested in a paper cutter, I would strongly suggest that you do. They're pretty imperative to making those professional clean cuts. They are not terribly expensive and they are definitely worth the investment. So I took my black and white gold glitter 12 by 12 craft paper as well as my 12 by 12 gold glitter craft paper, and I simply knew that I wanted the bottom to be black and white and the top to be gold. The dimensions are completely up to you. So for this 9-inch vase, my black and white paper is right at about 5 inches. And then my gold paper is right at about 3 inches. Now, that's just to create this particular look. But take the plan, guys, and make it your own. You don't have to do exact dimensions that I've done to create that wonderful Kate Spade inspired look. And then I'm just attaching them with hot glue, rolling it to make sure that it's evenly distributed along the glass vase. One is a 9-inch vase and the other is a 4-inch vase. All right? You can do it, guys. Go for it. So now I want to show you this really cool accent using 2-inch wired ribbon. We're going to create some ribbon petals. So you simply are going to fold it over. It's probably right at a 1.5 inch piece. So when you cut it out, a total of 3 inches, you fold it at the 1.5 inch mark, you know, if you want to be technical. So anyway, you cut out your piece of ribbon, fold it over, attach your floral pin, and attach that to your green foam ball. Now, you then simply fluff out the petals to make them fuller and give them dimension, and it adds that extra special touch to your centerpiece for under $1. How cool is that? So now that your centerpiece is done, I want to show you how to make that frame table number using a Dollar Tree frame. Super simple. You're going to remove the glass. You will not need it. You're going to keep the frame and put the back off to the side. Simply cover the frame with Mod Podge and then get your extra fine glitter, whatever color you would like, and sprinkle till your heart's content. Let the frame dry for at least 2 to 3 hours and you're ready for the next step. Using the frame insert to measure your paper, your craft paper, whatever craft paper you would like to use, you're going to simply cut it out and then attach a self-adhesive number. Now, these numbers are 3 inches tall, but you can use any size numbers, any glitter color you would like. Go ahead and return it to the frame insert, add the back, secure it, and there is your Dollar Tree framed table number. Well, Chris, what do you think? Did we meet your expectation? Is this the Kate Spade look you were going for your daughter's sweet 16th birthday and the elegant look you wanted your family to experience? I sure hope it is. We had an absolute blast creating it for you. So excited about how budget friendly it is, and we hope you love it. If you like this video, go ahead and like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. If you like an extra special notification, click on that little bell and you will receive that the very moment the video is up and ready. You can also send us a comment. We love your words of encouragement and we are here to answer your questions. You can also follow us on our social media. That will be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget to sign up for your Ebates account if you haven't already done it. Ebates is a program that pays you for shopping. You simply sign up for your Ebates account absolutely free. And then the next time you go shopping online, log onto your Ebates account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It's just that simple. So don't forget to do it. Also, don't forget our digital store is up and running. We've had wonderful response and you guys have blessed us with some fantastic reviews. So just want to remind you what's available to you on our digital download store. It's digital. You don't have to wait for shipping. You don't have to pay for shipping. You simply purchase your item and you have access to it immediately. You can click on the little link right there in the corner to go straight to our digital store and have access to our DIY wedding planner, also to our Maid of Honor planner, and to our project planner. And don't forget our dollar deals, which we have now a PDF on how to make our paper roses. So simple, so easy, and it's $1. So check out our digital download store. It is created just for you. The links to the supplies for this project as well as the project cost are right in the description below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and you will find the access to everything you need to complete this project. In addition to that, you'll have the links to the Ebates rebate as well as our digital store and our project request. You have 2 ways to request a project. You can click on that link right there, follow the easy steps, or head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, which also has some awesome blogging information there. Don't want you to miss that. And click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. Well, as always, we so enjoy spending time with you. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we are just so grateful that you choose to spend your time with us. So, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.